Hello, everyone. The virtual investor here. And today I want to give you 5 tips on how to pick up your first property with no marketing costs. All right. This one is it's an important video for new people. Somebody looking to get their first deal, whether it's a rental, fix and flip, or a wholesale deal. I'm going to give you 5 different ways. They're all free, no marketing cost. The only thing it's going to take is your time and energy. All right, let's start with the first one. So the first one, let's click here. Here we go, is the MLS and Zillow. Now I lumped these together for a reason because most properties on the MLS are listed on Zillow automatically too. But you can also click on buy owner on Zillow and you'll find other properties there that people are listing to sell themselves for sale by owner. And this is where you can really pick up some gems, or you can really negotiate with people and you can sometimes get better terms. They're already usually doing at a lower number because they're not going to pay that sales commission and they're more willing to work with you. So great deals on that. So number 2, wholesaler list. And you can get on wholesaler list on many Facebook pages. Go on Facebook Marketplace. You'll find a lot of different groups in there. Join them. And again, I belong to several all over the country, and I do find deals there. And I've gotten deals off the Facebook Marketplace throughout the years. So those are 2 great sources. All right, your third one. This is going to be your local RIA, or whether you do a virtual. So there's some online RIAs as well. And it's Real Estate Investment Group, obviously. So go there, network. There's a lot of people that go to these monthly meetings, and there's also subgroups in some of these meetings, and they bring their deals. They're trying to sell their deals, right? And some of them are pretty good deals, and some of them are way overpriced, just to warn you. But it's another way to pick up potential deals. I've bought deals from wholesalers at RIA events. I've sold deals as a wholesaler at RIA events multiple times. Okay. Number 4. Bank REOs. And you can find these, a lot of these are on the MLS. Some are not. Some you'll have to go through the asset managers directly. Some are listed on Wells Fargo's website, Bank of America, but you can also find them on HUDHomestore.gov. You can also find them on Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac websites as well. Again, there's going to be with HUD, with Fannie and Freddie, you're going to have that first 15 to 30 days where it's just owner occupants bidding, and then it opens up to investors from there. You are allowed to pick up one property every 2 years as an owner occupant, as long as you're going to occupy that property. And some of you may want to do it, occupy it, fix it up, and then sell it when you're done. Okay. Now, the last one, I'm saving the best for last, is this is our main resource besides regular traditional bank REOs, and occasionally picking up from the other sources there. And that is online auctions. Online auctions are great because you can buy them all over the country, and you can just look at everything right online. You can bid online and do it on your own time frame. So those are the 5 best sources for picking up your first real estate deal. Again, no marketing costs, only your time and energy invested in them to comping these properties and learning if it's a deal or not. If you want to learn more, go to reoauctionacademy.com. We'd be happy to show you a little bit more details and sign up and become part of our platform and become one of our students and hopefully one of our success stories. Catch you in the next one.